Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking a 360 camera and limiting variables. Pick resolution and bitrate based on final use. Mount the camera on a stable tripod at eye height and lock it. This minimizes parallax. Once done, insert formatted SD cards and fresh batteries and attach ND or polarizer filters for harsh light. Make sure to turn on stabilization and set exposure mode manually if possible, because automatic shifts will break stitching later. Record a short test clip to confirm framing and audio capture. You now focus on capture technique. Move deliberately and plan where viewers will look. Keep motion slow and avoid rapid panning, since 360 exaggerates movement. Set white balance, ISO, and shutter speed manually so frames match across lenses. Once matched, leave them. When you must move, use a stabilized rig or tripod dolly at constant speed and maintain consistent height. Record 10-20 seconds of room tone and ambient sound for later mixing, and add visible alignment markers to help stitching software align seams. You complete the workflow in post. Stitch using the cameras or third-party software, then inspect seams and color continuity, correct exposure mismatches before heavy edits. Once stitched, stabilize and edit in an equirectangular timeline using safe framing guides and export with a high bitrate H. 265 or H. 264 profile suited for your platform. Finally, test the final file in a headset. If you see seam jumps or exposure flicker, restitch with different control points or perform localized color grading. For audio issues,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.